Namaskar children, I Shradha ma'am from New Era Global School welcome you all to our LKG English class. Let us start our class with a prayer. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karmule tu Govindam, Prabhati Karadarshanam, Prabhati Karadarshanam, Prabhati Karadarshanam. Slowly. Namaskar everyone. So children, do you remember what are we doing currently? We have done our A, E, I, O sound words. Now we are in the U sound words in which we have done the UB cluster and the UG cluster. Okay children. So before we start our today's classwork and homework, let us see our flashcards of sight words. Is, me. Next is do, an. Next is am, we, act, I, off, to, go, be, as, a, he. Now our next flashcards are of the bigger sight words. So let us start reading them children. These are our new sight words which we had started when we started U sound words. Came, from. This gift is from me to you. My friend came to my house yesterday. Came, मेरा friend मेरे घर कल आया था. From, this gift is from me to you. ये gift मेरे तरफ से आपको. Made, I made a beautiful painting. Made. Back. Let us come back to school. Let us go back to school. Back. This is my school. This is my class. How are you today? How old are you? How? That is a mall. That is a pen. She for girls. She is a girl. She has a pretty dress. She. And. This is a bat and a ball. Was. There was a girl named Sona. Was. You are my friend. You are 5 years old. You. Said. Mother said, come home soon. Mother said, come home soon. Like, I like the rainbow. Like. For. Father brought for me a beautiful book. the. With. Come play with me. Come play with me. With. Have. Do you have my book? Have. Has. Has. He has a toy car. Has. Not. This is not your class. This is not your pen. Not. They are playing cricket. They are playing football. Are. We are friends. Are. Her. This is her room. Her is used for girls. His is used for boys. His. This is his house. Who are you? Who? See. I see the stars twinkling in the sky. I see the stars twinkling in the sky. Now we are going to revise our up words. Up, up words. What were the up words, children? The first word we saw in the up word was a baby lion or a baby tiger. They are both called a cub. Cub. Baby lion. This is a baby lion, but even a baby tiger is called a cub. Next is the picture of rub. Rub. Next is the picture of a tub. This is a bathtub, and I have told you in the video before also, there is another tub in which you can wash utensils or clothes. That is also called a tub. This is a bathtub. Tub. Now what will be our next cluster, children? Our next cluster will be ugg. Ugg words. So which is the first picture? This is the picture of a pug. And the dogs which have a face like this are called pug. Pug. Next is the picture of a jug. Jug. Next is the picture of hug. And I told you in the video before this also, children, only your mother, father, your uncle, aunt or your grandparents can hug you or touch you. Do not let any strangers hug or touch you. This is the mother of this boy. That is the reason he is allowing her to hug. Okay. And what is the spelling of hug? Hug. And the last picture was of a mug. The bigger cup is a mug. Smaller cups, big, are called mug. Mug. Now children, let us see few more flashcards which are for the U sound. Okay children, let us see. What is this girl doing in the picture, children? What do you see her doing in the picture? Yes, she is humming. Hum matlab gungunana, gana, hum. Hum matlab gungunana, gana, gungunana. Next picture is of a gum. You must have seen this bottle of gum with your grandparents. अभी तो फेविस्टिक आती है, पहले के टाइम में ऐसे गम आते थे टू स्टिक पेपर्स. पेपर स्टिक करने के लिए दे यूज टू यूज अ लिक्विड गम. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ गम. ग ग ग गम गम gum gum. Next is the picture of mum. See what is written here? I love mum. These two children and their mum. Mum is mother and the other meaning of mum is to be quiet. आपके मैम कभी कभी बोलते होंगे keep mum. Mum मतलब ना बोलना, to keep quiet, total silence. And mother is also called a mum. Mum. So today we have learned through our flashcards words. What is our new cluster of the U sound word, children? It is mum. Next was gum. And the last one and the first one was hum. So what is today's classwork and homework, children? Our today's classwork and homework is page number 51, full page in worksheet. Page number 51, full page in worksheet. And what will be your homework? Your homework will be words in notebook. Words in notebook. So let us see our worksheet, children. This is our Term 1 LKG worksheet. This is our Term 1 LKG worksheet, children. And which is the page number we are going to do today is 51. Words. Okay, children. What will we do? This is your full page classwork. We will read the sentences, draw them the pictures, identify them and write the 3-letter words. So get ready with your worksheet, pencil, eraser. Start the classwork with me. Okay, our today's classwork once again is on page number 51. Full page will be in your worksheet. We are going to learn words. Okay. Mention here CW, children, and then you have to mention today's date also. And what will we do first, children? We will start our today's classwork in the worksheet with the reading of the word sentences. So let us begin, children. This is your word. Pum keeps mum. So when I showed you today's flashcard, what did I say? What is the meaning of mum? Mum is a mother, or mum means to be quiet. So what does this sentence say? This sentence says Pum keeps mum. मतलब पम कैसे बैठा है? चुप होकर, मम होकर. Next sentence is pum likes to do some. What is a sum, children? You do addition, okay, or you do multiplication, you do division. This all are called sum. Sum means सारी चीजें एक साथ, sum. So what is this sentence saying? The sentence says Pum likes to do sum. Pum को sum करने अच्छे लगते हैं. Pum likes to do sum. Next sentence says he. Who is he, children, in this sentence? Who is he? And what is he used for? He is used for a boy. And who is the boy in this sentence? It is Pum. So he has a ham. Do you remember? A sound M cluster में we have the meat. Okay. So he has a ham. He has a ham. And the last sentence says the and ham. The and ham is yum yum. Yum yum. The ham is yum yum मतलब yummy है, टेस्ट में बहुत ही अच्छा है. So this was our sound reading of the sentences. Once again it says Pum keeps mum. Pum keeps mum. Pum likes to do some. Pum likes to do some. He has a ham. He has a piece of meat and the ham is yum. The ham tastes very nice. So, after the reading of our sentences, let us see the pictures of the words and draw them in the space given. Now, to begin with, what is the first picture? The first picture is of a sum. The first picture is of a sum. So, you just have to write these numbers on your place given. Let us do the sum, children. Let us draw sum. How will you draw it? You just have to write the numbers. You just have to write the numbers. This is sum. And how do you write the spelling of sum? Is letter S. Is letter S. Okay. So what will I do here, children? Sum. Next line, children. S is letter S. Is letter U. Is letter M. Sum. And the last line, children. S is letter S. Is letter U. Is letter M. Sum. Next picture says this is the bottle of gum. This is the bottle of gum. So how will we draw the picture of gum, children? How will we draw the picture of gum? You make a small cap using triangular shape. Small cap using triangular shape. Okay. And then we will draw oval shapes. Two oval shapes here. And then you can draw one rectangular shape. This can be the bottle of your gum. Gum. Okay. You can write here if you wish to. Gum. And how will you write the spelling of gum, children? G is letter G. Is letter U. Is letter M. Gum. Next line, children. G is letter G. Is letter U. Is letter M. Gum. Last line, children. G is letter G. Is letter U. Is letter M. Gum. And the last picture is of a mum. Mum is your mother. Mum is your mother. So let us draw a pretty face of our mother, children. Let us draw a downward curve. Then 2 ears. A upward curve. Hair of our mum. Okay. Hair. 2 eyes. And a smile. A pretty face. Mum is always smiling. Mum is always smiling. And then you can give her small earrings also. See? She's wearing red color earrings. Okay, so how do you spell the picture, the spelling of mom, children? Is letter M, is letter U, again is letter M. Mum, mum. Next is mum, mum. Next line, children. Mum. So what did we do, children, today? We did our U sound third cluster, which is words. On page number 51 of your worksheet, you did full page with me of words. Now let us see what is our today's homework. So children, what had we done in our last class? We did the U sound crossword puzzle and we did a spot difference, page number 6 of our textbook, of our Nurture Course textbook. This was what we did in our last class. Now today what are we going to do? We are going to write here HW and write here today's date. Your heading will be words. Your heading will be words in notebook. Words. Okay. What are our words? Some, and gum. This can be half page or full page for your classwork. Homework. Half page or full page for your homework. So let us one more time revise what we learned today. We learned our words. What did we learn, children? We learned words. Words. And what were our words, children? Hum matlab gungunana. Next is gum, जो हम पेपर चिपकाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Next is mum, that is your mother, और keep mum matlab चुप रहना. So this was our today's classwork and homework. Page number 51 full in worksheet and words in notebook. We will see you soon in our next video. Until then, be safe, stay at home, keep revising your phonic sounds and CVC words. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day.